Alright guys, welcome back to the yard. Okay, let's get started with this. Yeah, we're gonna run over this with some white paint. I'm gonna brush this down. Tell you guys, I really want to get this thing over with. I know I'm rushing, but nobody ain't gonna see this stuff under here. Nobody ain't gonna see this back here. Okay, nobody gonna see this. It's gonna be hidden forever until this car end up eventually going to the junkyard, I guess. And at that point, it don't matter. At that point, it don't matter. I'm not gonna even mess with it over there. I'm just gonna hit this right here and hit this right here, guys. That's it. Hope this stuff don't shake this can. Okay. Okay. Try to sit this camera where it can get a lot. Okay. Okay. Set it. Okay. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna try to get this right quick. Okay guys, it's time. It is time. I think that was enough wiping down. Go over one time, hit the leg. Make sure we get all the dust on. Yeah. Make sure we get all the dust. I'm gonna even go over that crap right there, guys. Hate to say it, I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I don't want to paint over the screws. All right. Let's get this done. Let's get this done. Okay. Oh, paint nozzle kind of funky. Paint nozzle kind of funky. Yum. Okay. That's what we doing here. Okay. We ain't trying to kill it, but we are. Okay. There's some runs, but I don't care. Like I said, it's gonna be hitting anyway. Oh man, my favorite. Okay. Okay. Looking good, looking good. I really don't have to get down here. I said I was gonna hit that, didn't I? I did say that. I might hit it. Getting kind of sloppy now, guys. Getting kind of sloppy. I'm ready to get the thing done. That's it. Tired of looking at this. Tired of looking at this. Want to get it done and over with. So I don't care if we got runs or not. I can't get over there, but I think, guys, I think this is good enough. I do. I think this is good enough. It looks 10 times better than it did before. You see? 10 times better. But I think I'm gonna hit this little area right here. Just because it just looks kind of bad. You see it? It looks kind of bad. So let's hit that. Just because it looks bad. That's it. I don't think over here really matters. I don't think this really matters over here, but I'm just gonna hit a little bit of it. I just paint them. And I said I wasn't gonna paint these screw tips. Don't put a paint right over stuff that you just painted, but I don't care. This stuff is gonna be hidden. And guys, it looks a lot better. A lot better. Damn. Ooh. Kind of did a little too much there. Alright guys, we're done with this. This is it. This is it. And I think it looks awesome. Compared to how it looked before, this looks awesome. Rhyme. Compared to what it looked like before, this is awesome. Trying to paint some inside of here because I really can't get up in there. So I want to make sure up in here is nice and painted with no rust. I didn't show that, guys. I didn't show that. Let's see. Let's try to hit this up here. All right, guys. We are done with the painting. Yes, we are. We're done. We don't have to do any more. I say that is good, good, good. We do not have to do this. All right. There you have it. There you have it. Primed, painted, and ready for that membrane, heat cancellator, whatever. It's ready for that to get put on. Ready for it is ready for it. But that will be in the next video because this stuff has to dry. Yes, it has to dry, guys. You want to let it dry. You want to let it get as dry as it can possibly get. You see? I believe it's like 30 minutes. Then it should be dry. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And it should be dry. Yum. You see? Compared to what it was, this is a come up. Yeah. Compared to where it was, this, you see, is a come up. And now, if somebody ever take this dash back out, they're not going to be paying this any attention. They're not going to pay it any attention. They're just going to take the dash out and keep moving. Now, if we were to leave it black and burnt, then they'll be like, hey, what's going on here? This car was burnt before. They might see that somewhere else, but they won't see it here. They won't see it here. That's what counts. They won't see it here. They won't see it there. You gotta get some shots. Gotta get some shots. This is gonna be this might be the thumbnail right here. I'm not sure. Might be the thumbnail, but I'm trying to get it to where maybe it can be the thumbnail. A lot of my thumbnails are looking the same. Trying to get them look a little different. You see. Let me see. It can be this one. I don't know. I gotta see. It looks like a lot of sunlight. But when I put it on the computer, it might look a little different. So, okay, trying to get a couple of shots. You know what I'm saying? Let's see here. Alright guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Peace.